Why does nobody talk to circles? Because they're pointless. Get it? Number 8. When writing a geometric proof, which angle relationship could be used alone to justify that two angles are congruent? So that alone part is actually kind of important because any of these, could be part of a longer proof in which you're justifying that two angles are congruent. Well, let's just review what these 4 things are. So supplementary angles. Supplementary angles add up to 180, right? So, for example, if this is 120 and this is a 60-degree angle, right? Those are supplementary, and they don't have to be touching, right? So if this is 80 degrees and out here somewhere we have 100 degrees, right? Those are also supplementary, but they're definitely not congruent, so that's not right. Linear pair, right? This is a linear pair, right? It's two angles that form a straight line together, and they also add up to 180. Of course, that they're not congruent either, not always. Adjacent angles. Well, adjacent just means two angles that share a ray, okay? So these angles are adjacent, right? They're touching each other along their middle ray here, but they don't have to be congruent, right? I could have a very large adjacent angle and then a very small adjacent angle, so no. Vertical angles. Okay, well, what are vertical angles? They are when you have two lines that cross, and then you look at the angles that are opposite each other in either direction, actually. So these green angles are a pair of vertical angles, and so are these blue angles. Oh dear, struggling there. Now, these angles are congruent, right? And you can see that from the picture. And by the way, if you're looking for some extra proof of that fact, it basically is due to the fact, like take the blue angles, for example. Do you see how this angle 1 here is supplementary to the green angle 2? And angle 3, the blue angle, is also supplementary to the green angle 2. So if they're both supplementary to the same angle, of course they're congruent. Just a little side note there. The answer is 4, and we're done.